here we are. So, our challenge today is to Irish dance blindfolded. Now, before I do this and attempt it, this is maybe one of those challenges I don't recommend for other people, just because I don't want anybody to get hurt. You know, I actually I've only done one video with a buddy of mine. It was right after Bird Box, where we did a blindfold challenge where we tried to dance and drum blindfolded, and I remember being super dizzy and losing my point of balance. So I wouldn't recommend this, but I am curious how it would. I'm curious how good my clicks will be and things like that when blindfolded. Yeah, so I don't recommend this. Don't do it. We're also dancing to the Glasgow Reel on FEIS app. FEIS app link down below. All that stuff. They're awesome. Let's see, I'm using this as my blindfold, so it should work. Yeah. Yes, it does. Alright. No big deal. Alright. Okay, well, and we got the request of Glasgow Reel, FEIS app, and also a request to do fast stuff. So, yeah, let's see what we can do. Alright, let's give it something. Nice and easy at first. Okay, I'm still in spot. Okay. Oh, yeah. So, whether you call it cheating or not, I did one drum and it went off the stage. My front toe came off the stage and I felt that. I think I'm going to stop. So that was enough dancing blindfolded. Yeah. Say we did it, we tried it. Yeah, I thought I was dancing in spot the whole time, and I definitely wasn't. So again, do not try that unless you have like a friend that can make sure you don't fall or do anything. I don't know. I just wouldn't recommend it. So Tyler didn't recommend this at all, but we tried it. Thankfully, I didn't fall off the stage. Yeah.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.